butt naked in my parents' basement. Chemistry is like electric. Don't gotta be a detective to see you and me got something ill. Yeah!